Hey there, aching athletes and creaky-kneed warriors. Does climbing stairs feel like conquering Everest? Do your knees groan when you squat to garden or play with kids? You're not alone. If your knees are crying out for relief, stay tuned. Today I'm sharing my top 3 vitamins to ease knee pain and get you moving freely again. Knee pain can be tough, but don't lose hope. Natural remedies are on the way. Let's dive in and show those knees some much-needed care. First, a quick knee anatomy refresher. Your knee joint is a complex assembly of bones, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, muscles, and fluids working together for smooth, pain-free movement. Damage to any of these structures from injury, arthritis, or regular wear and tear can lead to pain, stiffness, swelling, and loss of function. 2 crucial components for healthy knees are cartilage and synovial fluid. Cartilage is the slick, rubbery coating on the ends of bones that allows them to glide smoothly. Picture cartilage as the smooth foil covering bone edges, letting the femur and lower leg move effortlessly over each other. Synovial fluid is the thick, sticky fluid within the joint capsule that lubricates and cushions the joint. Think of synovial fluid as the motor oil that keeps your knee joint lubricated and running smoothly. Keeping cartilage and synovial fluid healthy is vital for pain-free knees. So how do vitamins help? Certain vitamins are key in building and repairing cartilage, reducing inflammation, and maintaining healthy synovial fluid. These vitamins can promote strong, flexible knees and potentially slow the progression of arthritis. Research shows that the right vitamins can be game changers for knee health. Here are the 3 best vitamins for your knees: vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Let's see how each of these essential vitamins benefits your knees. First up, C for cartilage. You probably know vitamin C boosts the immune system and fights colds, but did you know it's crucial for collagen production? Collagen is the primary protein in knee cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, acting like glue holding joints together. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, creating new, healthy collagen to maintain and repair cartilage. Getting enough vitamin C keeps cartilage strong and flexible and aids in repairing damage. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that reduces joint inflammation. Foods rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits, berries, broccoli, bell peppers, and leafy greens. Experts recommend 75 to 100 milligrams per day. Slow-release supplements provide a steady supply. Next up, sunshine for your knees. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, crucial for bone health, but it also has significant anti-inflammatory effects that benefit your knees. Studies show people with low vitamin D levels experience more knee joint swelling and pain compared to those with optimal levels. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system, preventing it from attacking joints and reducing inflammation and cartilage damage. The best vitamin D source is sun exposure, but fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy also provide vitamin D. For those with inadequate sun exposure, experts recommend vitamin D supplements, aiming for 1,000 to 4,000 international units daily. Vitamin D3 supplements are best absorbed. Lastly, let's talk about vitamin E for cushioning. This potent antioxidant protects cells from free radical damage that can destroy cartilage. Vitamin E also inhibits enzymes that break down synovial fluid, helping keep knees lubricated and cushioned. Foods high in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy greens, and bran cereals. Experts recommend 15 milligrams per day from food or supplements. Natural vitamin E, like D-alpha-tocopherol, is best absorbed. Here's a quick recap. Vitamin C builds and repairs cartilage and reduces inflammation. Vitamin D promotes bone health and reduces inflammation. Vitamin E protects cartilage and cushions joints. For optimal knee health, eat vitamin-rich foods and consider supplements to meet your daily needs. Combining all three into one daily supplement can be convenient. Always take vitamins with food for the best absorption. These vitamins are safe at standard recommended dosages, but megadoses long-term may have risks. It's best to consult your doctor for appropriate intakes based on your needs, as medications and medical conditions can interact with vitamins. All right, we've covered knee anatomy, cartilage, and fluid health, and the top 3 vitamins for knee pain relief and protection. Start your knee health journey today for a pain-free, active life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.